There once was a castle, alone on a hill. Its turrets trembled, its hull stood still. Its stones were sulking, its gardens dead. Its last dinner guest had been eaten instead.
The village nearby never wandered too near. They tossed it a prayer, a whisper of fear. For legends declared, in a voice half suppressed, that the keep kept a curse in a tattered old dress.
Then came a thief with a glint in his eye and schemes in his mind to make nobles cry. I've plucked from the palace, I've pinched from the priest. I'll plunder that castle and dine like a beast.
He scaled up the walls with a confident grin, ignoring the gargoyle that grinned back at him. He slipped past the gate, the iron moaned deep. The keep seemed awake from a century's sleep.
The chandeliers flickered, the portraits looked vexed. The staircases shifted, quite bored and perplexed. The carpets all whispered, another one great. The curtains sighed low, seal the gate.
Take if thou must, but leave not a prayer. The air here remembers, the stone does stare. What glitters shall fade, what is stolen shall bind. The keep keeps account of the debts of the mind. The thief did not heed, his heart was too proud. His laughter rang wild through the corridors bowed. But the halls did not echo, they swallowed his glee. And the torch he had carried burned cold suddenly.
The gold turned to cinders, the crowns into cries, and mirrors around him grew teeth and grew eyes. A hush fell like snow, a silence profound, as the castle rewrote him without any sound.
Now he sits on the throne, draped in frostbitten grace, with a chalice of ruin, no trace of a face. He speaks not in words, but in slow sullen chime, and counts out his penance in rhythm and rhyme.
So let this tale haunt you, let caution take root. Not all that is lost lies in soil or soot. The keep never sleeps, it waits cold and deep. And the thief, the thief,
He became the key.